Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So if you've ever stared at a sentence thinking, oh, this could be better, but I don't know how, well, then this video is for you. So today I'm going to show you how to highlight and rewrite sentences directly in ChatGPT Canvas right over here. So whether you're aiming to tighten your phrasing, change the tone, or clarify ideas, we'll walk you through exactly how. So grab a paragraph and let's make your sentences shine. And don't forget to check the pinned comment for quick tips, additional prompts, and shortcuts. So let's get started right now. So by the title, of course, let's go select like a random sentence right here. How about this one? So there are a few different methods to do so in rewriting your sentences under the interface of ChatGPT Canvas. So the first one, the method, is by this feature right here, Ask ChatGPT. So let's click this off. Once you select this and then click this one, it turns into a text input box. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So for first thing, let's say your original sentence feels too stiff. Here's my prompt right here. Simply rewrite this sentence in a more casual tone. Okay, just hit send or press enter, and instantly ChatGPT will then rework it. There we go. Here's the final result. Here's the before. And now it's reworked to sound more relaxed and conversational, like that first one. Its cultural and commercial impact extends far beyond the red carpet and into the very core of cinematic storytelling. While this one, the changed version, Cannes isn't just about glitz and glam. It actually plays a big role in shaping how stories get told on screen. See the difference right there? Sorry about that. I kind of hit on my headphones right here. And you could try to be a bit more specific, like, how about this sentence right here? Ask ChatGPT. I would type include sense of urgency. And then click send once more. All right. Let's go show you right now. There's the old one. Cannes plays a crucial role in introducing international films to a broader audience. And this one's the new. Cannes is essential right now for getting international films seen. Without it, many powerful voices could be lost in the noise. So see right here, ChatGPT just adjusted your sentence to fit that request without you needing to rewrite from scratch. So yeah, instead of like switching tabs or starting over, just highlight, prompt, and improve with right. And then not too time consuming, all within the ChatGPT canvas. So there's a few more methods for me to show you. Let's move on right now. All right, now let's go over to another method that's less on prompts. Okay, so I just selected a random sentence. Now go down to the bottom right corner here to this pencil icon, and this scrolled up. Go into the reading level feature in the middle of this menu panel right here. Once you click this one, you'll see a slider that lets you adjust the complexity of the reading level of that particular text that you just selected. You can drag it down for simpler, more accessible language, great for casual readers or younger audiences, or you could drag it up here for more advanced formal or academic writing. Okay, let's go high school. Okay, so once you've chosen the level you want, the reading level icon will transform into this send button right here. You can either click it, or is it possible you could just press enter? So I guess I could click it right here. All right, it's loaded up. Now, okay, here it is. Let me just show you. how ChatGPT did. Okay, here's the previous version right here. Okay, and here's the new one. So, okay, the previous version, it read, beyond screenings and awards, Cannes is a major networking hub. Now, for this one, besides showing movies and giving out awards, Cannes is a big place for people in the film industry to meet, talk, and make deals. See right here, ChatGPT just instantly rewrote your highlighted text to match that tone and complexity. So, yeah, it's quick, intuitive, and incredibly useful for tailoring your message to the right audience. All right, so before we go over to the last one, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. All right, now we're down to the home stretch. Now, the final method that I'll be showing you, it's actually quite brief and not too complex. Don't worry, it's just a bit of a polish, let me tell you that. Well, let me show you. Now we're going to the bottom right to this pencil icon. Now we're going to scroll your cursor right over here, final polish, then click this one, and it just turns into a send button right over here. So just to let you know, this feature is designed to smooth out like phrasing, like fix minor grammar issues and enhance flow without changing the meaning of your sentence. So it's just easy as that. Just highlight the sentence of your choice, go up here, click this one, then click send. See? Give it a brief moment. Yep, there we go. Let me show you. Here's the before. Films that premiere at Cannes often go on to become major award contenders and cultural touchstones. And here's the new version. Films that debut at Cannes often go on to receive major awards and leave a lasting mark on global culture, cementing their place in cinematic history. See right here? It's just a simple few clicks, not too much steps or anything, just to get to rewriting your sentence here. And again, less time consuming. And there we go. The ChatGPT, through this Canvas interface, just delivered a cleaner, more polished version of your sentence instantly right over here. See, it's just a perfect method for you to do. And yeah, that is about it, y'all. And this is how I showed you the methods of highlighting and rewriting sentences in ChatGPT Canvas. So, as before, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.